Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a game today called Donkey King for the Tandy Radio Shack Color Computer. Donkey King is a arcade port of Donkey Kong, and I'm going to guess they named it Donkey King to avoid any sort of copyright issues, although how they got away with making it not having a copyright infringement is beyond me, because it is a pretty close replica of Donkey Kong. It has all 4 screens and plays pretty much the same way. But they did it, and for the Coco, it was a really great port of that arcade game and was a lot of fun to play. So we're going to take a look at it, and it has been beyond years since I played it, and I never recall getting past the 3rd screen, although my sister could. My sister was better than I was at it. I haven't played it since, boy, did I even play it as a teenager? I mean, I've probably played Donkey Kong as a teenager here and there, but since I would play it a lot was definitely while I was a young child, probably between the ages of 6 and 10. So I don't anticipate me doing very well. In fact, I'll admit that I played a few rounds before doing this video to brush up, and I was not able to beat the 1st screen. So I probably still won't be able to beat the 1st screen, but we'll see how I do. There's another YouTuber that has a playthrough of Donkey King, and he actually gets to the first 3 screens, and actually looks like he gets to the 4th screen, but didn't show the 4th screen. So I'll link in the description a link to his videos so that anyone watching this can go and watch his and see some of the other screens. I'll give him my best chance to beat that 1st screen, but I don't think it's going to happen. So anyway, here let's take a look at one of my childhood favorites on the color computer, Donkey King. Alright, I'm going to do practice game just because it gives me a bunch of extra lives, which I certainly could use. I think it's cool the music's even the same as Donkey Kong. Oh, I just walked right into that. I thought I could beat that. I was never a big fan of the hammers, because once you get the hammer, you can't climb. Oh. So then you're just kind of stuck, you know, you can take out the barrels, but then you're kind of stuck on that rafter. So I never felt like they helped me too much, although you could get lots of points if you're playing for a high score. Oh, man, I just really suck at this game. Just jump back right into those barrels. Okay. Sorry, Pauline. Yep. Not very good at Donkey Kong. Sorry, everybody. Trying my best. Okay. Oh. Don't come down here. Oh! Okay. Here we go again. Have I made it up to the third rafter yet? I don't think so. Nope. Alright, I lost all my bonus lives from the practice mode. I didn't even see that flame below me. Okay. Alright, we're going to give it another shot. Too many barrels. Oh! No! That's not fair. No! Got up to the third rafter. That was good. Oh, stupid Donkey Kong. No! No! I thought I had it. No! 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 Well, I think it's safe to say that I'm very bad at Donkey King. I can't beat the first level. I'm going to post a link to the other guy's channel. I'm going to give it one more shot. One more shot. This is going to be the time. Not even going to do a practice game. There we go. It's the real deal. No way! Donkey Kong, that barrel at me! Ah! I was so close. Rats. Well, thanks everyone for checking out Donkey King. I hope you enjoyed the video.